Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add music on your YouTube video. So let's go to YouTube first. Now click on your videos. Now you'll find your videos here. Now click on this pencil icon, edit. Go here, editor. Then you can find here audio. Click on audio. Then you can add any music from here. Just click on this. If you like this, just click on add. Okay, so guys, this is how you can add music on YouTube video. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.